Confidence is a cornerstone of personal and professional success. However, certain habits can gradually erode it, leaving you feeling insecure and doubtful. Here are 9 habits that might be sabotaging your self-belief. Comparing yourself to others. Constantly measuring yourself against others can lead to feelings of inadequacy. Everyone has their own unique journey and strengths. Focus on your progress and achievements rather than comparing yourself to others. Overthinking and negative self-talk. Excessive rumination and negative self-talk can chip away at your confidence. Challenge negative thoughts with positive affirmations and practice mindfulness to stay present. Avoiding challenges. Shunning challenges can hinder your growth and limit your opportunities. Step outside your comfort zone and embrace new experiences. Every challenge overcome boosts your confidence. Seeking constant validation. Relying on external validation can make you feel insecure and dependent on others' opinions. Develop a strong sense of self-worth and believe in your abilities. Perfectionism. Striving for perfection can set unrealistic expectations and lead to disappointment. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities and focus on progress rather than perfection. Surrounding yourself with negative people. Toxic relationships can drain your energy and undermine your confidence. Surround yourself with supportive and positive individuals who uplift you. Neglecting self-care. Physical and mental well-being are essential for confidence. Prioritize self-care activities like exercise, healthy eating, and sufficient sleep. Procrastination. Putting off tasks can lead to feelings of guilt and inadequacy. Tackle tasks promptly to maintain a sense of control and accomplishment. Dwelling on past failures. Holding on to past mistakes can hinder your progress and erode your confidence. Learn from your experiences and focus on moving forward. By recognizing and addressing these habits, you can gradually rebuild your confidence and unlock your full potential. Remember, self-belief is a journey, and with consistent effort, you can cultivate a strong and resilient mindset.